Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I'm going to be giving you guys an all drugstore Thanksgiving look. Thanksgiving is around the corner, guys. Like, this year has flown by. I don't know how fast this time is just going by, so fast. Like, I cannot believe this year is almost over. Let me know if you guys feel the same way. Like, this year went pretty fast, but I am super excited to start off a new year and new beginnings, everything nice and fresh. Like, I am ready for that. But today I am going to be giving you guys a affordable Thanksgiving look, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, let's just jump in to this Thanksgiving look. Okay, love, so I already have my face makeup on. I basically have my foundation and basically foundation. I haven't even done my eyebrows. The foundation that I did use was the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. This has been my go-to. Absolutely love it. If you haven't tried it, I definitely recommend it because it's really, really good. Especially you have very oily skin. This leaves your skin very, very matte. You guys will be like, but you are very dry, so how do you like this? The reason why I like this is because I use a hydrating primer and a moisturizer underneath, so it makes the foundation look flawless with those products underneath it. So that is why I like that foundation. And I have not done my eyebrows. I did get them threaded, so they're like fresh eyebrows right now. But I did pick this up. This is the Profusion Brow Set, and this is medium to deep, and this is an 8-piece brow defining kit. Now, you guys know I picked this up at TJ Maxx for $4.99, and I saw it and I was like, oh, let me try their brow products, because I already know their highlights and I know their eyeshadow palettes are really good. So let's try this out. So I'm super excited. I love the fact that they included tweezers in here. I love me a good pair of tweezers, because believe me guys, I have so many. If you guys could see my vanity mirror, you guys would see like 3-4 pairs of tweezers there. And I like them because if I have like any stubborn hairs, I like to go in and just pluck them out. And then they also included a brow gel. Now this brow gel is clear, which is good. I mean, it looks like that. Really interesting. Can't wait to try that out. And then they do have an eyebrow pencil, and it's just a brown shade right here. And then they have the brow powder. Now, I am not a fan of brow powder. It's just not like my go-to, but I mean, I definitely want to try it out. So it has a brow primer, brow light, so highlight, and then it has the 2 shades. So this is medium to deep because I do have dark hair, so that is why I chose this color. But let's go in with this one right here, this pencil and outline, and then go in with the powder, because I feel like with the powder you can't really outline. It's good to like fill in the sparse areas, but to fill in the eyebrows, I don't think, well, not fill in, but like to outline, I don't think the powder is good for that, in my opinion. I think a pencil or something will be better, just to draw and define it a little bit more. The only negative about the pencil is that it doesn't have a spoolie, but it's alright, because the spoolie comes with the brow powder, which you can just grab on to the powder. So that is not bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick a powder. I'm just gonna go in with both shades and see how pigment it is. Really, really nice. You guys see, like, I filled in my eyebrow with that. Really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and try out this highlighting like powder, I guess it is. because I'm already done filling it in. So let's try this powder to highlight the brows. So I really don't see it showing up. I don't know if you guys see it, but I really don't see it, but it's really nice, I guess. It's not all that, but it's all right. I definitely like it. The pencil is kind of waxy, but it's all right. It's a good brow pencil. I say so for myself, but I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the other eyebrow and I'll be right back. Okay, love, so I am back. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyebrows. Now I wanted to set it with this, but I did pick up this other eyebrow gel. This is from LA Colors, and this is their brow tint, and this is in the shade medium brown. So I wanted to give this one a try and see how good it was, because I'm telling you guys, was only $1, and I was like, $1 for this? Let me give this a try and see how good it is, because I love me a nice brow gel, and if it's really good, I'm gonna definitely recommend it to you guys. So let's try it out, see if it makes my eyebrows last today, since I am gonna be filming more videos today. So let's see how good it is. I'll let you guys know in the bottom if this is even worth it or not. I will let you guys know, and this one I will definitely try it out and let you guys know if it's worth it. So let's move on to the eyes, because I'm super excited because I saw this LA Colors pigment powder, and it came in a trio like this, and it was at Walgreens for $6, and this is the holiday collection. So I'm so excited to see all the holiday collections from every drugstore brand, because I love me drugstore makeup. So I was like, oh my god, I definitely want to do an eye makeup look with this, especially for now for Thanksgiving. All drugstore, very affordable and very easy. I want to create a very easy look for you guys to create. So I'm super excited. I think I'm going to be trying out this shade right here. So I'm going to go ahead and pop it out. And this is the shade. Does it even have shades? Or what? Eyes. So this is the shade that I am going to be using today. I already put concealer on my eyes, and per usual, I do not set my eyes because I want the eyeshadows to pop. So that is why I don't set them. I haven't been setting my eyes for a very long time, because I feel like the shadows are very vibrant when I don't set my eyelids. So that is why I don't do that. But I'm gonna go in with the Profusion Sultry palettes, and of course I am going to grab this shade right here in the shade Wonder. Guys, this has been my go-to palette lately. I'm telling you guys, I'm obsessed, because I just love the quality of the shades and how vibrant they are. Very, very vibrant. I mean, they're a little bit powdery, but that doesn't bother me because they're so affordable and it's drugstore makeup. So to me, that really doesn't even bother me. For some people it does, because they're like, oh, you know, it's powdery. But as long as I get that pigment, which, look at that pigment, I'm just gonna do like a brown shade, and then I'm gonna put that glitter all over my eye. It's just gonna look so pretty. So I'm just gonna build this up until I get it where I want it. I'll keep building this. So guys, what are you guys gonna be doing for Thanksgiving? I'm excited because I'm gonna be traveling. So I am not gonna say, I don't even know if this video is gonna go up by then, but I think I am. I think I'm gonna upload it right before Thanksgiving. So I am going to be traveling this time around because I've been here in Florida for the last few years for Thanksgiving, but I'm excited because I'm going to be going out for Thanksgiving and I'm going to see my family, so I'm super excited. But let me know down below what you guys are going to be doing. If you guys are going to be staying home, or you guys going to go visit family. Like, I would love to know what you guys are going to be doing. So I already built up the eye right there. I'm going to go ahead and go into this shade right here called Zing, and it's like a chocolate brown shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up and put it in the outer corners of my eye and just build it up from there. It's gonna be an easy look. You could create this look. I definitely want to see the look, so I'm just gonna tap the pigment out, because you definitely need to with this brush. I'm just going to tap off, and then I'm just gonna go ahead. Beautiful, guys. Are you guys seeing this? Oh my god, look at how beautiful. My goodness. I mean, I have a little bit of fallout, but it's not that serious. But my gosh, look at that beautiful pigment. I am obsessed. I cannot wait to try out the other colors, because if this shade is beautiful, I just imagine the other shades, because this is gorgeous. And I'm not getting a lot of fallout. This brush is doing a good job from not letting a lot of the pigment fall, but this is beautiful. Oh my god, I am obsessed. So let's go into concealer. I'm going to be using my Flower Beauty concealer, and this is the full coverage, and this is in the shade light medium. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. This is so pretty, and it's not like super drying under the skin, because even though it's full coverage, it doesn't like dry my under eyes, which I like. Like, I don't like concealers that, you know, overly dry my under eyes, because one, I already have, you know, dry skin, so I definitely don't want something drying up my skin even more, you know. So I definitely like that. And yeah, it just gives me that perfect coverage that I need. Sorry about the noise. My daughter came in. So yeah, so I definitely love the coverage of this concealer. It's just so good. Gives me that perfect coverage, which I like, and it's not like really drying under the eyes, because I don't like that. To set my eyes, I am going to use the Milani powder in the shade Banana. I'm just gonna put some on my lid and just set my under eyes. It's very good. This powder is so good and affordable, and it just sets your eyes really good. You guys can see, super shiny, not shiny. Like, it just takes away the shine. It sets your under eye really good. And I feel like setting your eyes with the sponge is the best way to go. I used to like setting it with my brush, but I was like, no, like it wasn't setting my eyes really good. I like it with the sponge better, because I feel like it just gets in there, like it gets in my skin. So that is why I like it with the sponge. It's so good. Let me know what you guys prefer, a sponge or a brush. Like, I definitely prefer a sponge. The under eyes. So we're gonna go ahead and go back to this palette and do the under eyes. So the same shades that I used for my eyes, I am going to use for my under eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead, take the shade Wonder, and then go ahead with the shade Zing at the outer corners, just to bring the whole look together, which I love. This look is so pretty. I love how the pigments just brought the look together. It just looks so pretty. On with bronzer, I'm gonna go back to my fave. I'm gonna be using the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. This was like my holy grail. I was using this like every single day, and then I started using the one from Tarte, and I still love it. This is like my favorite bronzer, but you know, once you find another one, it's like hard to go back. But I love this bronzer. It's really beautiful. Gives you that bronzy look, if you love bronzy look, of course. And I love it. It's just so good, and it smells like coconut. Oh, I love the smell of coconut. It's just my favorite. I absolutely love it. With blush, I'm going to be using this one from Essence. This is the Satin Coral Blush. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this. And this is such a beautiful coral shade. I love it. So I'm going to go ahead with my stiffening brush and just brush this out because I want everything to like blend together. And then I'm going in with my Essence Brighten Up powder. This is the banana powder. Now I love to use this towards the end because I like to brighten up my under eye a little bit. I go in like this and I set like that just to brighten up the face a little bit. Brighten up the middle. And then I also love to use it to clean up my bronzer to give me more of that defined look. So I love to use this to clean it up. You see, it gives you more of snatched look. So I love this powder. It's just so good. So I am gonna go ahead with my stiffening brush again and brush everything out. I feel like I got her hair there and it's just bothering. Whatever. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, put my eyeliner, put a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, love, so I am done with the eyes. I'm done with the face. I did highlight. I did use my Essence Glow to Go highlighting palette, and this is in the shade Sun Kiss Glow. I absolutely love it. It's very affordable. I think I paid like $3.99 or $4.99. Oh, absolutely love this highlight. And then we're gonna go into lips. I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner and Keep It Spicy, and then this NYX Soft Matte in Abu Dhabi. I absolutely love this lip liner. It's just so good. I don't know if I mentioned it to you guys, but this is really good and inexpensive. It's just so good. It's so creamy. I love it. Okay, now we're gonna go in with Abu Dhabi. Look, I absolutely love how everything came out. I love the shadows. I love how the brows came out. I definitely recommend everything that I mentioned that was new. I recommend go pick it up. Go to TJ Maxx. Go pick up that brow product. I mean, I loved everything. Everything was good, and this look came out so inexpensive. Everything was drugstore, so of course I love to give you guys a drugstore looks because those are like my favorite looks. And I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys all in my next video, and have a very good Thanksgiving. Bye, my loves.